In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a new page to your GoDaddy website. First, sign in to your GoDaddy account and open your website editor. Go to the GoDaddy website, click Sign In, and enter your account details. Once you are in your dashboard, find the website you want to update. Then click Edit Website or Edit Site to launch the website builder. After the editor opens, go to the Page Management area. Look for the Pages menu, or click the current page name if that is what your layout shows. In some versions, this section may also be labeled Pages and Navigation. Open it to see the list of pages that already exist on your site. Next, add your new page. Click Add Page and enter the name you want to use. If GoDaddy asks you to choose a page type, select the option that fits your needs. Then click Create Page or Done to continue. Once the page is created, open its settings and review the basic details. Check the page title and update it if needed. You can also customize the page URL so it is clean and easy to read. If you want the page to appear in your website navigation, make sure that setting is turned on. Then save the page settings. Now it is time to add content. Open the new page and click Add Section. Choose the type of content you want to place on the page. You can add text, images, a gallery, a contact form, a banner, or a video section. Insert the sections you need to build the layout. After that, customize the page so it matches the rest of your website. Edit the headings and body text. Upload your images or other media files. Adjust colors, fonts, and layouts where needed. You can also move sections around until the page looks the way you want. Before publishing, preview the page to make sure everything looks correct. Use the preview option to check both the desktop and mobile versions. Review the spacing, text, images, and overall layout to confirm that everything displays properly. When you are satisfied, save your changes if prompted. This makes sure your latest edits are stored in the builder. Finally, click Publish in the top right corner to make the new page live. Wait for the publishing process to finish, then visit your website and confirm that the page appears in the navigation menu if you enabled that option. Your new page is now live and ready for visitors to view. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.